Hello students, I am Subhashish. Previously, you have learnt about the area, perimeter, volume, trapezium and quadrilateral. Today, in this part, we are going to see the lateral surface area of the cube and cuboid, total surface area of the cube and cuboid, volume of the cube and cuboid. Learning objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know surface area, total surface area and lateral surface area. Total surface area of the cube, cuboid, the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid, the volume of cube and cuboid. Keywords from this lesson are area, perimeter, volume, polygons, cube, cuboid, total surface area, lateral surface area. Surface area. Surface area refers to the area of the exposed surface of the three-dimensional solid. There are two types of surface area. One is total surface area and the other one is lateral surface area. Total surface area is the area of the entire object. The lateral surface area does not include the area of the top and bottom. Cuboid. A rectangle is a two-dimensional figure with two dimensions of length and breadth, while a cuboid is a three-dimensional figure with three dimensions of length, breadth and height. The side faces of a cuboid are formed by rectangles. A cuboid is a three-dimensional box-like figure represented in a three-dimensional plane. A cuboid has six rectangular-shaped equal faces. Each face meets another face at 90 degrees each. Three sides of the cuboid meet at the same vertex. Total surface area of the cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional representation of a rectangle, while a cube is a three-dimensional representation of a square. A cuboid is an assemblage of rectangular pieces. Similarly, a cube is an assemblage of square-shaped pieces in length, breadth and height. A cuboid when opened. Let's see the view. The figure above shows that a cuboid is made up of six rectangles, where length, breadth and height are the three edges of a cuboid. The area of the 6 rectangles in consecutive order from 1 to 6 are: area 1 is equal to L into B, area 2 is equal to B into H, area 3 is equal to L into H, area 4 is equal to B into H, area 5 is equal to L into B, area 6 is equal to L into H. When we sum up all the areas, we get the surface area of the cuboid. That is L into B plus B into H plus L into H plus B into H plus L into B plus L into H. By adding similar terms, we get 2 into L plus B plus 2 into B into H plus 2 into L into H. By taking 2 common, we get 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. The total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Let us see one example. Find the total surface area of a given cuboid. Solution. Given length of cuboid L is equal to 12 cm. Breadth of cuboid B is equal to 5 cm. Height of cuboid H is equal to 7.5 cm. We know the total surface area of the cuboid is given as 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now substitute the values in the given formula. That gives 2 into L into B, 12 into 5 is equal to 60. Plus B into H, that is 5 into 7.5, that is equal to 37.5. Plus H into L, that is 12 into 7.5, that is equal to 90. Now, by adding all the terms, we get 2 into 187.5. By multiplying, we get 375 cm square. Lateral surface area of the cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is the area of only 4 rectangles, since we know that a cuboid is teamed up by 6 rectangles. Finding the area of only 4 rectangles gives us the lateral surface area of the cuboid. In lateral surface area does not include the area of top and bottom. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Area of rectangle S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. That is L into H plus B into H plus L into H plus B into H. Adding the similar terms, we get 2 into LH plus 2 into BH. By taking common 2 and H, we get 2 into L plus B into H. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. Let us see one example. Find the lateral surface area of the cuboid whose dimensions are L is equal to 22 cm, B is equal to 12 cm, H is equal to 7.5 cm. Solution. Given length L is equal to 22 cm, breadth B is equal to 12 cm, and height H is equal to 7.5 cm. We know the lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. Now substitute the values in the formula, that is 2 into 7.5 into 22 plus 12. By simplifying, we get 15 into 34. By multiplying, we get 510 cm square. Therefore, the lateral surface area of the cuboid is 510 cm square. The volume of a cuboid. For understanding the volume of a cuboid, we need to first understand the area of a rectangle. Since cuboids are a combination of rectangular planes stacked over each other, the height up to which these rectangular planes are stacked helps find the volume of the whole structure. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now, since a few rectangular planes are stacked upwards to form a 3D rectangular structure, the volume of the object is base area into height. Volume is equal to A into H. We know area of base is equal to L into B. Now, volume of cuboid V is equal to L into B into H. Let us see one example. Find the cuboid volume of length, breadth and height are 5 cm, 3 cm and 10 cm respectively. Solution. Given the length of the sides of the cuboid are L is equal to 5 cm, B is equal to 3 cm and H is equal to 10 cm. We know the volume of a cuboid V is equal to L into B into H. Now by substituting the values in the formula, we get V is equal to 5 into 3 into 10 centimeter cube. By multiplying all the values, we get V is equal to 150 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of the cuboid is 150 centimeter cube. Cube. A square is a two-dimensional figure with two dimensions of length and breadth, while a cube is a three-dimensional figure with three dimensions of length, breadth and height. The side faces of a cube are formed by squares. cube shape is like that of a perfect square. A cube is a three-dimensional box-like figure represented in a three-dimensional plane. Cube has 6 square-shaped equal faces. Each face meets another face at 90 degrees each. Three sides of the cube meet at the same vertex. The total surface area of the cube. A cube is a 3D representation of a square and has all equal sides. The length, breadth and height in a cube are the same and are termed as A. If A is each edge of the cube, then the surface area of a cube is A into A plus 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 A into A. By multiplying the terms, we get A square plus A square plus A square plus A square plus A square. Now, by adding all the terms, we get 6A square. The total surface area of a cube is 6A square. Let us see one example. Find the total surface area of a given cube with side A is equal to 9 cm. Solution. Given the side of a cube is A, that is equal to 9 cm. We know the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into A square. Now, by substituting the values, we get 6 into 9 into 9. By multiplying all the values, we get 486. Therefore, the total surface area of the given cube is 486 cm square. Lateral surface area of the cube. The area of 4 constituting squares gives us the lateral surface area of the cube. In lateral surface area does not include the area of the top and bottom. The lateral surface area of the cube shall be 4A square. The lateral surface area of a cube is 4A square. Let us see one example. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the given cube of edge 13 cm. Solution. Given A is equal to 13 cm. We know the lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square. Now, by substituting the values, we get 4 into 13 into 13 cm square. By multiplying all the values, we get 676 cm square. Now, the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. By substituting the values, we get 6 into 13 into 13 centimeter square. By multiplying all the values, we get 1014 centimeter square. The volume of a cube. As already said, that cube is a combination of squares. All the sides in a cube are equal. The volume of the cube is the base area of a square multiplied with side. Area of base is equal to A into A. Volume is equal to area of base into A, that is equal to A cube. We use the cubic unit as a unit to symbolize the volume of an object. So, the volume of the cube V is equal to A cube. Let us see one example. Find the volume of a cube with sides of length 13 cm. Solution. Given the length of the sides of the cube is 13 cm. We know volume of the cube is equal to A cube. By substituting the values in the formula, we get V is equal to 13 cm whole cube. Therefore, volume V is equal to 2197 cm cube. Points to remember. The total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. Volume of a cuboid V is equal to L into B into H. The total surface area of a cube is 6a square. The lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square. The volume of the cube V is A cube. Thanks for watching.